Hey guys, this is the answers to last night's homework. So you had to finish the first page. So you had 2 on the top, 2 in the middle, and 4 on the bottom. So this one had a lot of secret stuff. So first of all, there's no number at the end, so it's a 0. And the number in front of the x, there's one of these x's, so there's a 1. So my slope was actually a 1, and my y-intercept was a 0. And if you wanted to write this as a point, it would be 0, 0. Okay, for this one, my slope is a 7 and my y-intercept is a 3, which would be 0, comma 3. Remember, this is the y-intercept and this is x, comma y. So you always write the number under the y section. Okay, next you had to write your y equals equations. So for this one, y equals slope is m, y is b. So it's mx plus b. So it gives it to you in order. So 5 over 2x plus 1. This one would be 10x. And you can write plus 0, or you can write y equals 10x. This is the way you'll most likely see it on tests and whatnot. We're not going to write the plus 0. Okay? And last but not least, you had to do these bottom 4. Let's see if I can get this straighter. Okay? So my y-intercept for this was a 4. And then this is a negative 1/3, which means down 1, right 3. Down 1, right 1, 2. Down 1, 2. 3 would be about there. Okay, then you connect them. Or you could have gone up 1, left 1, 2, 3. Remember, when you connect them, you need to put arrows on the ends. Okay, the next one is a negative 3 is where I start. Remember, this end number is where I start. It's your y-intercept. So 1, 2, 3. This is a negative 5, which means negative 5 over 1. Okay, which means I can either go down 5, right 1, or the opposite of down would be up 5, and the opposite of right would be left 1. Okay, I can't go down 5 and right 1, so I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to go up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and left 1. Okay, when I do this and I connect my dots, it's going downhill. Remember, you read the graph from left to right. So this is downhill. He's downhill, and I know he has to be downhill because there's a negative right here out front of the equation. So downhill, 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 uphill. Okay, so this one should also be down. It's a negative x plus 0. And remember, what did we say when there's just an x here? What number goes in front? We used it above. 1. So this is a negative 1x. So this is a negative 1 over 1 is what we're doing. We're going down 1 and right 1. Sorry, down 1 and right 1. So we're starting at 0, 0, and we're just going down, right, down, right, down, right, down, right. Or opposite, so it has to connect over here, would be up, left, up, left, up, left, up, left. Okay, and it should be a perfectly straight line through 0, 0 with a slope of 1. Okay, last but not least, we have this guy. We start at 5. Okay, his slope would be up 7, rise 7, run to the right 2. However, we can't go up 7, so we're going to go down 7 and left 2. Okay, that's the one we're going to use because it's the opposite. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, left 2. Okay, and then I ask myself, did I do this correct? Well, let's see. There we go. So this is a 7/2 and it's positive, which means this guy needs to be uphill. Okay, if I connect these dots, now remember, I'm writing in pen. Hopefully you're writing in pencil. Hopefully your line was a little straighter than that. But if I connect these dots, am I going uphill? Well, if you're not sure, remember, draw a person. Okay. Oh, can't see some. And my person can only walk to the right when we're graphing. Okay, your person will only walk left to the right. So if he's walking towards the right side and he has to walk on the graph, would he be walking uphill or downhill? He'd be walking up a pretty steep hill. Okay, so he's uphill. So that's how I know I'm correct. This is uphill, this is positive. Okay, check your answers and look for the assignment for today.